Hello students, today we are going to learn lesson number 14, Advances in Medical Sciences. From early times, man has made observations and done experiments to understand the functioning of the human body and unfold its secrets. This led him to understand the medical science. He developed medicines, vaccines, various medical equipment and machines that would help him detect and fight diseases. In this chapter, we will learn about the important developments and inventions in the field of medicine. Hippocrates. Hippocrates, a Greek physician of the 4th century, is considered the father of medicine. He was the first person to give a scientific explanation to the structure and functioning of human body. Medical instruments. Clinical thermometer. How do you measure the temperature of your body when you have fever? You use a thermometer. A thermometer has a scale marked in units called Fahrenheit. From 95 degree Fahrenheit to 110 degree Fahrenheit. Normal temperature of human body is considered 98.4 degree Fahrenheit or 37 degree Celsius. When the thermometer shows a body temperature above 98.4 degree Fahrenheit, it means that the person have fever. The thermometer has mercury inside its bulb. Mercury is considered the best material for measuring body temperature because it has a high boiling point and a low freezing point. The mercury rises as it expands with body heat. Thermometer is an essential part of a first aid box at home and school. This essential medical instrument was invented by Gabriel Daniel Fahrenheit in 1714. We put the thermometer inside our mouth and keep it under the tongue for some time to record the body temperature. Today, both analog and digital thermometers are available that have both Fahrenheit and Celsius scales. Stethoscope. When you go to the doctor, he or she often uses an instrument to listen to your heart and lungs. The instrument is stethoscope. The stethoscope around a doctor's neck is the most enduring symbol of medicine. Enduring, it means lasting over a period of time. This instrument helps a doctor to monitor the heartbeat and the condition of the lungs. René Laennec, a doctor, invented the stethoscope. Microscope. A microscope gives us an enlarged image of a tiny object. You must have seen one in your science lab. This is also an important instrument in the medical laboratory. It helps the doctors and medical assistants investigate diseases. A microscope is used to study the germs that cause diseases. They magnify the microscopic organisms to enable the doctors to study them. Zacharias Johnson of Holland made the first microscope. He ran an optician shop and made it as a toy. He called it a flea glass. Later, Galileo modified the flea glass using lenses and invented the microscope. Invention of machines. The X-ray machine makes it possible to see the inside of the human body and detect what is wrong. Say, for example, identify fractures of bones. This machine was developed by Roentgen in 1895. The ECG machine helps to plot the heartbeats as a graph. Doctors can check the abnormalities in the heart by reading this graph. Kidney stones and other such medical problems that are not visible on the body can be detected with the help of an ultrasound machine. CAT scan and MRI machines are used to scan internal parts of the body, bones, soft tissues and blood vessels, with greater clarity than the conventional X-rays. Developments in the field of surgery. Surgery refers to the cutting open of the body to treat an injury or a disease. The doctors who perform surgery are called surgeons. Surgeries enable surgeons to replace vital body organs like the kidney, liver, and the heart. Major surgical operations are conducted on the brain and heart. A recent development in the field of surgery is laser surgery. This form of surgery uses laser rays for treatment and does not require the use of knife. Medicines that do wonders. Discovery of certain medicines has done wonders in the effective treatment of diseases. Two much medicines are chloroform and penicillin. Today, before performing a surgery, a surgeon applies anesthesia so that the patient does not feel any pain during the operation. The medicine used in anesthesia is chloroform. Dr. James Young Simpson discovered chloroform and introduced its use in surgery. Penicillin, a wonder drug, controls the spread of infections. Sir Alexander Fleming discovered it in 1928. He was a professor of medicine. He discovered this medicine while doing research on bacteria. Today, penicillin is an antibiotic that is used to treat many diseases like malaria, tuberculosis, plague, and cholera. Nowadays, more antibiotics like chloromycetin, streptomycin, and gentamicin are also used. Prevention of diseases. Vaccination. Prevention is better than cure. Dr. Edward Jenner, an English doctor, he observed that milkmaids did not get smallpox. And with this observation, he went on to prepare a medicine with cowpox. Today, we have vaccinations for a number of diseases like tuberculosis, cholera, typhoid, yellow fever, and many others. Pasteurization. Louis Pasteur, a French chemist, discovered that heat kills germs. He discovered that if milk is heated for half an hour and cooled, it remains fresh for many days, as it becomes germ-free. This process has come to be known as pasteurization. Today, people all over the world drink pasteurized milk. Sterilization. Sterilization is a procedure by which the diseases causing germs are destroyed through boiling sterilization. Reduces infection. Joseph Lister used this procedure to make surgical equipment clean and infection free. Today, many antiseptics are used to control and reduce infection. Dettol is a common antiseptic. The invention of medical instruments, machines, and developments of new medicines and surgical methods has made our life healthier and safer. However, other factors like a healthy lifestyle, nutritious food, and physical exercises are equally important for a healthy and disease-free life. The Government of India is taking many initiatives to provide good medical facilities to the people. Thank you.